Sometimes the collet doesn't want to accept the mandrel. So take a pair of long nose pliers, pull it out, then to replace it, you take your new one and put it straight back in there. Now your mandrel should go right in. Now it's time to put the closure back on. You have a flat side and you have an open side. This side is the part that's going to go across these little ridges. Slide it back on and twist it closed. Make sure the mandrel is all the way in. Then when you get it closed, it's now time to take your wrenches you have two different ones. So now you want to, whoops, works better with two hands. I'm going to tighten it so that it holds your mandrel in securely. These two pieces, the flat part is almost lined up with the flat part on the back part. Okay, now you've changed out your collet, you've got your new collet in, you've got your mandrel back in place, and you have your cover back on your collet. That's how to change that out for a PenpaL.